morning. I'm in the middle of washing my face. I have not done a day in my life vlog in a really long time. I haven't done a vlog in like 3 months. Mind the hair. I've been really into heatless curls recently. Right now, I live in an apartment above a pretty famous street in Melbourne called De Graves. Side note, I also work on De Graves Street. I go downstairs and my job is just right there. So I live in kind of an oldish apartment building. It is the middle of winter and there is no heating. There's also barely any hot water sometimes. So, I'm getting the full experience here. Where have I been the past couple months? Working. For those of you just tuning in, I live in Melbourne, Australia now, and it has been absolutely life-changing. All of my friends are non-American. Tonight, we're going bowling with some friends. So I thought it'd be fun to vlog that. It's currently, I think it's like 9 a.m. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. And I feel like I can't take myself seriously anymore with this on, so I'm just gonna take this off. Guys, is it still savable? I don't want to brush through any of the curls. As I brush through the curl. I'm just not gonna touch it. I'm just not gonna touch it anymore. Ugh. It's makeup time. Okay guys, so this is De Graves Street. I'm about to pass by my coworkers and say hi. I'm vlogging today for YouTube.
You're vlogging?
Mm-hmm.
Hello YouTube. You just woke up? You just woke up?
I low-key did, yeah. I love my coworkers so much. They're so sweet. But they're super busy right now, so I had to get out of their hair. I don't have a plan for breakfast. Like, I don't know where I'm going. I'm just gonna walk somewhere. Melbourne is also known for a lot of its hidden laneway cafes and coffee shops, similar to kind of where I work and where I'm coming from right now. The rooftop bar scene. One time, one of my friends and I went to like 8 rooftop bars here in one night, and we rated them on a scale of like 1 to 10. So that I know what I'm able. Okay, I've spotted an all-day breakfast. I kind of feel like I'm in America with how many bright colors there are in this place. I think after breakfast, I'm gonna try to dip into a pub to watch the US World Cup game against Paraguay. Hopefully I'll meet some other Americans in there as well. My food is here. It honestly kind of looks like it came from America, but that's okay. Something that does make me mad though, when hash browns look like this. I once had food poisoning from something that looked like that, but that's okay. I'm gonna eat it anyways. I'm being pretty picky for somebody who can't cook. Guys, that food was so good. Now I'm gonna try to go to a pub and watch the game. I think I'll do some editing today, and then I also am gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna get ready to go bowling. Hello. Can you tell that I've missed vlogging because I'm a little bit more talkative now? Just miss you guys. There's the place. Life is worth the living. So this pub that me and my friends go to, it's a traditional British tavern and it's underground. So we're gonna sneak downstairs. Hopefully they're playing the game. Nope, hole. Yeah, I could not have been more wrong about the vibe in this place. Apparently Australia and USA are in the same pot, so the Australians did not want America to win. And then they started winning 3-up, and a lot of people were yelling about how they hate America. They were not fucking with America in there, dude. I'm going home. I'm glad I didn't let anybody know I was American in there. Crisis avoided. Went home to edit the vlog, and then I ended up taking a little bit of a nap. I'm looking a bit rough. We're about to go to the gym. Before we go to the gym, I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I need to get some bread and some ham because we have a toasty maker here, and Cal and I love having ham cheese toasties in the morning. Toasties kind of brought us together. Oh, it's raining. Well, I'm already having a bad hair day, and now I have an excuse. Okay, so now I'm walking to the store, and I just want to shout out some of the Australian snacks that are here. Freddos are really, really good, like little milk chocolate. Kinder Surprise, kind of like Kinder Eggs. Mars bars, those are really, really good. Sun Bites, it's basically like Sun Chips. Shapes are like Cheez-Its. Tim Tams, I don't even know how to describe these, but they come in every single flavor. Oh my god, guys. I'm not even lying. I have been looking for these forever. Oh my god. I've been on a mission to try every single Peeler's flavor, and the only one I was missing was watermelon, so this is actually a giant moment. Hold on, it's really raining. Goodness. Oh. There is literal shit on the ground. That was great to witness. I am so excited to go upstairs and give Cal his treats and also try my watermelon peelers. I was really muting myself in there, but I am so excited. I saw that and I was like, are you ready? Feast your eyes.
I'm waiting.
I finally found the watermelon.
Is this the last one that you needed?
Yeah. Also, it was pouring rain downstairs, and I saw literal human shit on the sidewalk smeared.
How'd you know it was human?
It looked like a poop item. Upon first smell, it smells delicious.
It smells very artificial.
It does smell very artificial. I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to be mean. Upon first look, I love the color so far. It's good. Shout out Naomi for introducing me to peelers. Ready?
It just tastes quite basic.
I was gonna say it tastes a bit sweeter than I expected. I was gonna say the mango ones are the best I've had, if I'm gonna be honest. Yeah. Well, Cal's working. We're not gonna bother him anymore.
Bye.
Now I'm heading to the gym because I'm trying to get all pumped for this summer. It's currently June and I'm gonna be in the States in July. So I need that summer bod, you know? I've been doing a lot of the treadmill, a lot of listening to Olivia Rodrigo's new album and crying to it. And that's my view from outside of the gym. It's really nice. And I love the Stairmaster and I loved kind of just goofing around in the gym. But my favorite part of the gym, which I don't hear a lot of people talk about, is I actually really like doing abs. I really like, I don't know, I just feel like I see progress a lot. And yeah, and then I always end my gym time with a plank, no matter what I am doing that day. But one thing I love so much about this gym is definitely the steam room. So yeah, and then I always just do a little face wash after with my Neutrogena micellar water. Shout out. And it's really useful, really good. And there's me putting my clothes back on because it's super cold. Dude, I am so embarrassing. I just took a shower so quickly and now I'm putting on my jewelry and I'm about to do my makeup. For a first date idea, I'm gonna take you to a place where we roll balls into other things and then you rack up the amount of points. I know I'm gonna get so much hate from the bowling community. Please don't come for me. Bowling can be hard if you take it really seriously, especially like you have to get the angle right, you gotta get so I can understand the sport, okay? I can understand the sport. Don't come for me, bowling community. I personally don't think that it would be a great first idea. If a man took me bowling, I would be like, this man has no creative mindset. Therefore, we will not be having a second date. Therefore, we won't even be having a first date because I'm not going bowling with man. Like, just us alone. That's my rant on bowling. When I was younger, I was never late to anything. And now I am late almost every single time. I'm just trying to be more laid back. Also, using a liquid blush changed my life, and I recommend that you should do it as well. Can you hear me talking to myself in here? Mm-hmm. I was speaking to my wonderful followers. Maybe followers isn't the right word, but subscribers. Followers, that makes me sound like I am running a cult. And that is what I call... I was gonna say that's what I call the perfect wing, but looking at it now on camera, it looked pretty fucked up. Cal, I feel like I've been having a bad hair day. What would you say?
I would say so.
You think my hair looks nice?
Yeah.
Then why didn't you say so? Time to go, y'all. Okay, guys, this is the final fit. I'm wearing a Scotland jersey in support of Scotland in the World Cup. Okay, I'm saying goodbye to my coworker who unfortunately has to work and she can't come bowling.
Okay, sorry.
Vlogging.
Casey just walked in.
Oh, who's that?
It's May May. She just said
Look at these people dancing. We're excited to go bowling. Sativa says bowling is fun. I don't like bowling, as my rant from earlier, but I'm excited to try it. I have this crazy fear of Melbourne Central. It is like the biggest mall you've ever seen.
And this isn't even our biggest mall.
They were like, you see this old abandoned clock tower? Let's build a mall around the clock tower. They said, that's a great idea. It'll be good for the economy. Guys, we're writing down funny names for everybody. Lucas is croissant because he's French. Mika-san, she's literally Japanese. I think this is racist. Yay! Look at that. Dude, I just met someone from Scotland. He thought I was Scottish, but it's okay. I found out Sativa only likes bowling because she's actually good at it. Oh my god! Wait, the back of Sativa's shirt, for a second it looked like your mom clothing. And I'm gonna tell her that. Good at bowling, like where did you become good? Are you serious? Oh. My second one. Thank you. She took her shoes off. No feeties.
That would be a strike.
He said it's gonna be a strike. What do you think?
I think he's full of shit. I think it's never happened.
Oh!
What did I say, guys?
Guys, I'm about 2 mojitos deep, some truffle fries, and I've done a strike, which is amazing. Cinema! Absolute cinema.
Please. What's your last song? Okay.
She said, shut up.
I won't.
Whoa! Whoa! Woo!
That's terrible. Out. Out.
I got robbed! Hey! 69! Guys, okay, we went bowling and then we came over to our friend May's house, so that's where we're at. And this is May.
Hey.
And then Tarsha's back.
I took my glasses off just in case I got.
And this is Matisse. We're playing this game.
What? Yeah, I didn't okay.
All right.
Okay. No
All right.
more spam.
He's just showing us his skills.
It's not gonna. It's not. I feel like this is. You guys are watching Tarsha's vlogs. Okay, guys, I am heading home now because it's like 11 o'clock. I'm pretty tired, and I want to catch the Scotland game tomorrow at 11. I just came from their apartment up there. I'm down on the floor. I'm down on the floor now, and gonna cross the street and catch the tram home. So yeah.